Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sway to the 99 and I'm so excited because in today's video I'm finally letting you guys in on this what I've been working on for a few months, this whole year pretty much. And that is that we're rolling out the second annual Sway to the 99 scholarship in partnership with the Richard Breunig Foundation, which is couponing for causes nonprofit. So I'm really excited for this opportunity and to be able to bring this back to you guys for a second year. I have to say the first year was insane. The outpour of applications, it was more than I ever expected, and I'm just so fortunate to be able to do this again this year. And with your help, every single person tuning into this video, you have helped me get to this point today, and you are helping me fund the scholarship by just simply watching this video. So I'm able to do this again and help two recipients this year again with a $1,000 scholarship to help them with any school expenses or to pay for tuition for their degrees or certifications. So I'm really excited and really fortunate to be able to do this today, and just a huge thank you again to Couponing for a Cause and her nonprofit, the Richard Breunig Foundation, for partnering with me to get this off the ground and to execute it. So thank you so much. And if you are new here, or if you are here for the actual application or what this is all about, I just simply ask that you do subscribe, because we may have some updates later on, some additions, maybe, don't want to spoil anything, but if things do change, I will be communicating any changes here on my channel. So the first thing you are going to do is we're going to ask that everybody please email, and I will put the email down in the description box with all the instructions to get your application, to get the ball rolling. And that basically is step one to getting into the application process for the $1,000 scholarship. So we request your last semester of school transcripts, as well as 3 letters of recommendation, one being from a school official, whether that be a teacher, a principal, a guidance counselor, anyone within the education realm. A second would be a letter of recommendation from someone that is very close to you, whether that be a mentor, just someone that means a lot to you. That could also be a parent. And a third, just anyone that you choose. It could be a friend, it could be your neighbor, whomever you want, and that gives us a nice perspective of who you are as a person. Also do include a 2 to 3 page essay telling us a little bit more about you, what you've done in your accomplishments scholastically, any passions or hobbies that you have, any volunteer work that you've done. Just give us a little bit more of a glimpse of you personally, from your perspective of who you are and what you're all about. And just let us know a little bit about how you intend to utilize this grant, whether that's to pay for school or pay for tuition, pay for your books or whatever that may be. I completely know how expensive college or higher education can be. So this is my way of giving back to you guys, or giving back to you and out there in the community, just because I have been blessed myself so much that I want to give back and help others. So as you guys can see, the application process is pretty simple. It will be accepting applications through July 31st, and we'll be selecting and announcing the 2 recipients by the 1st to 2nd week of September. And if they are local or within the area, we'll definitely be delivering the check to you in person. So I hope we can do that. And this scholarship grant is only open to people within the United States. So if you are attending school within the US, you are more than welcome to apply. This is obviously for people who are seeking higher education. So if you are currently enrolled in college or about to start college this fall, you can qualify. Or if you are somebody who is going to a trade school, you can also qualify. So basically anyone who is seeking a higher education or higher training or learning to advance yourself in your life, you can qualify. So again, I will list out all the details in the video, in the description of this video, as well as the email in which you should request the application. We will not be accepting requests from Instagram or from comments in the description or comments down in the video. So please make sure you follow the instructions to make sure that we can get you the application and get you into the system right away, so then we can get all the applicants in as quickly as possible. So again, thank you so much to every single one of you who have tuned in just to support this video. And if you aren't someone who obviously is going to school, please do share this video with a friend or someone you may know that is attending a higher education that could actually qualify for this scholarship. We want to be able to reach people outside of our general area, so please spread the word and let them know that the scholarship is available. So again, if you are applying, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, because there may be more updates coming out as the weeks progress. So things may change, we may add something. Not promising anything, I'm just letting you guys know that there may be some additions or there may be some little updates here and there, so be on the lookout for that. So again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one.